You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -2/9. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Combine like terms. Multiply the fractions. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Group like terms. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Add 12/5x to both sides. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 2/5 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 5/27. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals -2/9.